We're solving this equation, so let's get the x more alone. So we'll subtract 40 from both sides. We have x to the third. That's not what we're after. We're after x. 25 take away 40, we're going to get a negative 15. And now to get rid of that third root, or third power, we're going to take the third root. That gets rid of. Okay, that gets rid of it. So if I have the third power, I use the third root to get myself down to just x. And then the third root of a negative number is going to be negative. But the question is, what is it? So on my calculator, I grab my calculator, say 15. And it's obviously 15. First of all, I know it's negative, so I'll just say negative. And it's 1 over 3. There's a 1 in here. So it's to the point, I'm just going to say 1 divided by 3 and let the calculator go on forever with the 3's. And then I raise 15 to the 1/3, and it is 2 and I know it's negative because I already thought that part out. 2.4, 2 decimal places they want. It says 662, so I'm going to say 47, 2.47. So that's what x equals. Okay, and then to check my work, I'm going to raise that to the third power. So I raise it to the third power in my calculator. There I am. I'm back to 15, and I know it's a negative. If I raise negative 2.47 to the third power, I know I'm going to get a negative. So in my case, since it was a positive, because I deal in positives, I make it negative, and I add it to 40, and I'm not surprised I get 25. So now earlier, last time we had a solution that was an even root, and so I had plus or minus. I had 2 answers, but since this is an odd root, I only get 1, because odd is concerned whether it's positive or negative, and it knows the difference. A square root or a fourth root doesn't. All it knows is the inside, the argument of the radical, the radicand. It had better be positive. So in this case, it doesn't matter. But then it just stays with that 1.